Trampus here, he's used to getting out in front of 14,000 people. This is a small crowd for him.